The Afyon Adventure. The Afyon Adventure. Kaya arrived in Afyon, ready for a grand adventure. As soon as she stepped off the train, her grandpa Samil pointed up. "Look, Kaya, that big black rock is waiting for us." The rock was huge. Grandpa Samil explained it was Afyonkarahisar Castle, where powerful sultans once watched over the land. "It's a long way up, but the view is worth every step," he said, handing Kaya a bottle of water. Up, up, up they went. When they finally reached the top, the whole city of Afyon spread out below them like a colorful carpet. The sky was so blue and the air was fresh. Kaya felt like a queen herself, high above the world. "You earned a famous Afyon treat," Grandpa Semel chuckled. They stopped at a bustling local shop. First, they shared spicy, savory Afyon sukuk, sausage, cooked perfectly. Then came the dessert, sweet, chewy Turkish delight, or lokum. Afyon isn't just known for history and food, it's famous for its water. Grandpa Samil took Kaya to the Kaplakalar, the warm thermal springs. The water comes bubbling right out of the earth, full of minerals. Kaya dipped her toes. It was so relaxing and warm, like a giant natural bathtub. The mineral-rich water felt soft and soothing on her skin after the long climb up the castle rock. Refreshed and rested, they headed back to the city center. The winding streets were full of shops selling everything: pottery, dried spices, and thick, creamy Afyon kaymak, clotted cream. Grandpa Samil bought a fresh box of creamy kaymak and some chewy Turkish delight. "Afyon lokum is the best in the world, sweet and nutty," he whispered to Kaya, making sure she had plenty of samples. What a wonderful day! Kaya had climbed a mountain castle, dipped in hot springs, and eaten enough sausage and sweets to last a week. She loved the mix of old stones and bubbling water. Afyon was full of surprises. "Thank you for the adventure, Grandpa Samil." Kaya hugged him tight. She knew she would always remember the city built right next to a giant rock, where the treats were sweet and the water was warm. She couldn't wait to visit Afyon again soon.